Thanks for joining us here for the news at 4. Tonight we are staying weather alert as we monitor severe storms across our area. I'm Jane Monreal.
And I'm Nick Sturdivant. Chief Meteorologist Brad Panovich, Becca Bursall, and Megan Bragg are standing by with their weather and traffic. We want to start with Brad because that severe weather is moving into our area.
Yeah, Nick and Jane, we've seen two waves of storms move through. The first one's been the tamer of the two. It's already moved out of the area, but you can see the severe thunderstorm watch, which is kind of confusing here. Let me kind of break this down here. So basically from Charlotte west, that's till 7 o'clock. We've tacked on a couple more counties till 9, but I'll be honest with you, none of these are going to be around past 9 o'clock. We're going to see this long gone as we go through the evening hours. What is our biggest risk? Damaging straight line winds, by far our biggest issue, but that tornado risk is there, and I'm going to show you why. We've seen this line of storms racing to the northeast. It is flying at breakneck speed. We're talking 55, 60 miles per hour at times. That's the main line. This is the line that's moving through right now. It did have a couple strong storms in it as well. I did want to give you a quick track on that. So Salisbury, it's on you right now. Spencer up towards Lexington, eventually move in that direction. But it's the second batch we're watching right now that's a bigger concern because it's got several severe thunderstorm warnings with what we call tornado tags in them, meaning the potential for an isolated tornado. I'll do a quick track on that because that's moving to the northeast. This will give you a time of arrival. So in Charlotte, could be sooner. It's picking up speed. It's gotten faster now around 4:45. Now, Becca Birdsall and I have been tracking these all afternoon. And Becca, it's just not the winds, but it's also been some heavy rain in there as well.
That's right. The rainfall rates have been very intense with this system, and these were all non-severe storms that came across the Charlotte metro area, now pushing over in places like East Charlotte all the way up toward Concord and Mooresville. And the rainfall rates are between 1 to 3 inches. Now, thankfully, we need the rain, and we certainly need every drop we can get. I was looking at the Charlotte airport. They have picked up about 3/4 of an inch already so far, so we'll likely continue to see this ramp up over the next couple of hours. But what I'm also watching for is the visibility that is across the area. It has been greatly reduced as that intense rain has continued to push across the area, now down to about 2 miles of visibility over towards Hickory and 5 over in the Charlotte metro area. Live look outside over Dallas. It is still cloudy. The initial storms have moved past across the area, but of course watching the second batch that do have the potential to bring severe weather, especially to our South Carolina counties, as that just brushes the area. So severe thunderstorm watch continues until 7 p.m. for all counties in yellow. We'll likely see more widespread impacts beyond that. Wind gusts have been strong across the area, especially in the Greenville-Spartanburg area where there is that active severe thunderstorm warning. Again, something that we will continue to monitor. Of course, the roads are going to be impacted by this as well. I want to turn it over to Megan Bragg for the latest.
Yeah, unfortunately, this is the time that people are driving home, and you can already see the roads starting to get really wet out there. So this is I-77 north at the Tyvola exit. You can see that cars are starting to slow down, which is a good thing. You really want to be slow when you are heading in storms like this. But you can see that I-77 north and south slowing down, pretty usual at this time, but you really want to take it slow. Like I said, we already have an accident on I-277. That's Berkshire Freeway. There's a crash at exit 3A and 12th Street at Caldwell Street. You can see it is definitely backing up some people as they are heading out of Charlotte. We also have an accident down as you go on Independence Boulevard at Margaret Wallace Road. That is causing some slowdowns as you head into Matthews. And we do have an obstruction on the road at I-77 northbound. That's at exit 83. That is causing some issues for drivers as well. But of course, we will continue to look at road conditions and make sure everyone stays safe as they are heading from work or from school or wherever they may be. Guys?